Guys, it's almost Christmas. Today we're going a little dark and moody, under the fire, and we're talking about this guy. These are the AirPods 3. We're gonna talk about the major issue with them and how to fix it. So if you've already picked up a pair of AirPods 3 just like me, or you're looking to pick one up for someone for Christmas, this is actually a pretty good purchase. It's about 170 bucks and it's got tons of great features as compared to the second generation of AirPods. I actually like that the stem is just a little bit shorter, so it looks a little bit better on your ears, not as hanging out and kind of weird. I like the 1 hour extra battery life from last generation. I don't love the extra price tag on it, but it is a newer model, has some extra new features. One of my favorite things is 5 minutes of charging time will give you a whole hour of listening. That's pretty dope. I mean, this is everybody's complaint, but we're all waiting for USB-C charging on these. MagSafe is all right, but it'd be nice. Now, my personal biggest issue of these guys is the fact that they don't have noise canceling. So to me, 180 versus 250 for the AirPods Pro with noise canceling, if you can afford it, I'd go for that one. But this video is about the AirPods 3 and how to fix the major issue. So what is it? If I come up close and show you, we like that they reduced the stem length by a third from the second generation. That's pretty sweet. But the main issue is they just, I don't know, they fit a little weird. The second generation didn't fit perfect, but it stayed in my ear. The AirPods Pro, honestly, fit a little too snug, and after a little bit of wearing, I just don't love them. Now the AirPods 3, they just feel a little loose in my ears, and I know that everybody's ears are a little bit different, but this is not just me. When I'm going for regular listening sessions, just sitting here, yeah, it's fine. The AirPods 3 or whatever, they'll stay in my ear. But anytime I wanna start even just kind of walking down the street, when I ride my bike, when I do any sort of slight exercise kind of movement, these literally will fall out of my ear. So I've been looking for a solution and I found one. These guys right here are called Grip Tips. I love these because they're a lifesaver. Without these, my AirPods 3 would kind of be useless. So they come in minimal packaging, comes in 3 different sizes to fit your ears. They've tested over 10,000 different ear shapes. Love that. And comes with a little carrying case with a super high quality carabiner. 15 bucks. These would be a great stocking stuffer, great present to go with AirPods 3 for anybody, because if you are anyone or know anyone in your life that works out, that goes for walks, that even just wants to make sure they don't lose an AirPod in a trash can, in a toilet, in a pool. Couple of these, maybe more from personal experience. So make sure you check out Grip Tips. I wanna show you what they look like. They are super easy to use and just slip on, just like that. They have perfect cutouts for all the different holes, and I absolutely love how they fit in my ears. Some of my favorite earbuds from the past have been Jaybirds. If you remember, they have little wingtips on those. These are amazing. Sometimes those Jaybird wingtips would kind of hurt my ears after a little while. These give me literally no fatigue. As I said, I love the AirPods Pro, but after about an hour of listening, they really hurt my ears. These, I choose the medium size, small, large, up to you. They come with 3 different sizes. They come with this nice carrying case, super high quality, metal carabiner. You gotta love attention to detail. The only thing I wish was different about Grip Tips is that they could fit inside of the case while the silicone tips are still actually on. But that's why they come with an awesome little carrying case. So they even thought of that problem. I just love the fit so much better than the AirPods 3 by themselves. It's way more comfortable with the Grip Tips. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Can't wait to share tons more videos with you and the rest of my house as well. All right, here we go. Shake test. Got the Grip Tips in my left ear, AirPods 3 in my right ear, no exaggerations. Taking off the glasses, shake test. Whoa, okay. Like I said, hold on, no exaggerations. This does not obviously fly out of my ear, but this was really close to fully falling out. It came super loose, and Grip Tips still crazy secure. Love that.